What's up, guys? It's Woods. Okay, and today we're back with another video. So make sure you like and subscribe. I do not know. I know him. It's just I didn't invite him. So like, we'll just play this with him though. If he readies up. Oh. Oh, I hope you can win. If he doesn't ready up, I'm probably going to kick him. I am going to kick him. We only have 3, 2, 1. Kick. Hey, where's that lag? Where's this lag, guys? What is the lag? Hold up. What is wrong with this? Holy, that was a lot of lagging. Go. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. Alright, hold up. I have to do something. Gotta make this full screen. Oh, it's just this. SMGs and jetpacks. Because I played one round and it was SMGs and jetpacks. Now it's just SMGs and jetpacks, I'm guessing. Look how bad my aiming is. Let's do it to another person. Oh, couldn't. Our aim is bad. Oh no. Oh no, we're dead. John Wicky, nope, we're dead. Gotta admit, we're dead. We're dead. So, saying right now, we're dead. Probably not, but we're dead. Probably not, but we probably are. Alright, it's not just SMGs, you can get guns. It's technically like a... Wait. What happened to the chest? What? What the heck? Did you like glitch through the floor down or something? What? Why are you spam killing him? I was trying to spam kill you. Let me spam you, kill you, and you not. And you not spam kill me. Alright, that's a deal. Is that our deal? Okay, buddy. Oh gosh, I'm bad. Oh, I'm good. I do not want to mess with you. Please don't mess with me. Messing around. John Wick, no, not. Why me, John Wick? Why me? Why Jules? Like, why? Why Crystal? Why Crystal? I almost said Jules for some reason. Why Crystal, though? Why the skin Crystal? Like, why me? I'd have been clapping him if I was on Xbox. But I can't record, and this is the only way I can record. Alright, my teammate just saved my life. Oh my god! What the heck? Oh my gosh, I do not like it. Boom, get out of my game, kid. Literally, why do you have to spam like so hard? With the combat SMG! What? Let us give you let us get all you. Let us kill you. It's a bobcat! A combat! Oh, give me it! Give me it! I can't get it! Let's go! I got it! I got it! I got it! It's cool. Look. Yeah! How do you like me now, boys? We're probably gonna come in the clutch to lead. Let me get it. No. Dang, we're gonna only play like a couple more rounds, guys. Like when we die like 2 more times, they're probably gonna end the video. Oh my god, what the heck? Oops. Almost leaning forward. I don't have a game chair, but okay, whatever, nobody cares. Oh my god, guys. Y'all hear me spam clicking? Look, look. Look. Oh shoot. I was pressing my own button. Guys, I'm gonna shut down. I'm just gonna. There's always a problem, something with my recording, so like I have to like when I want to make a video, it just makes me have to like do something, and then sometimes I just do it. I wanted to see if I can hit somebody. Bro, that was gonna hit him. Only one guy there. That just trying to do it, huh? We're probably gonna make another video soon for a gaming channel, guys. Well, like, I like another channel to, like, you know how typical gamer did, like a TT place. We're gonna do like fortune, like Tuck Fortune instead of like Space 8. I do not know why I know I did Tuck Fortune Space 8. That's a ridiculous name. Even it's also hard. Everybody gets confused on it. Make sure you like and subscribe too. I know I said that multiple times, like, but just make sure you like and subscribe. Come on, guys, like, I'm trying to be the best YouTuber I can be. Yeah, buddy. Why? Why does my gun have to reload? Yeah, buddy. Get out of my game, get. And make sure if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe if you're new. Definitely, if you're new, just subscribe. If you're old, you don't have to, but like if you're new, yes, please. Look at this fake recon. He's not the real one. He's not even real season 1. He would have hit every shot of that. And he missed. But so I know he's not the real recon. Like not season 1 recon. I had the recon, but I got it when it came in the item shop again. Oh, what? Oh, that's my supply, boy. No one messes with my supply drop. What the heck? What about the reload? Kill him, guys, kill him. Kill him. Oh, jeez, it's only been like a minute. What if I crash pad into the storm, guys? Eat! Okay, that was probably one of the bad ideas. If I didn't have a jetpack, I would have been dead, guys. What? Please be hurry. If you hit the like button, it would turn blue also. Let's try it out. Yeah, it would turn blue. It usually turns green, but now it would turn green. Just kidding. I don't know what I'm saying. What am I saying? Why does it say 55 in the corner? Why does it say 55 in the corner though? Yeah, buddy, you're not the real recon. I wouldn't have killed you. Alright, this is my first time having a real weapon. Holy crap, allow me. Okay. We're gonna win. There's no way they can win. There's no way. There's no way they can get all of us in that short amount of time. There's no way. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. Let's go, baby. Yeah, buddy. Get out of my game. If we lose one more time and then we die one more and lose one more time again, we're gonna end the video. Oh shoot! One of my keybinds are coming out. Oh no! It's like that. Never mind. I would even do it though. This is $1,000 keyboard. I wouldn't play with it. Oh, does that what I look like? Does it look like a purple SMG? Oh shoot, no. What the? What is in the chest? Okay, a bandaged bazooka I will take. Okay, we got 1 kill, boys. Why you got it wrecked? Why did you get wrecked? Wait, this is my teammate, so... Oh, teammates can kill you. Oh, shoot! Oh, no! Can my jetpack make it? Yes, it can. Holy! Oh, that kid. Mama. Oh, he mommy. Oh, he mommy. Oh, he mommy. Holy mommy. Oh. No! Why is my sensitivity so high? It won't let me lower it. It won't let me lower the sensitivity on the thingy. So that's why I'm doing bad, because I need a lower sensitivity. How does that guy have aimbots? Well, he probably doesn't, but like he does have aimbots. Yourself, now you're gonna die for that. I'm dreaming. Oh, Sophie, leave me! Why? Let's go. Probably after if I die on this round, I'll make another one. But if I die on the next round, I'm probably just gonna hit the video. How long have we been streaming for? I don't know. It won't let me do it yet. Ooh, my back popped. How long have we been streaming for? 15 minutes, huh? I'm in 17 minutes. That's where it's gonna go for now. I always put my SMGs. Oh my gosh, why you? Oh my gosh, oh no, I can't drive the Lamborghini, but I cannot drive I can drive the taxi. Okay, I'm happy. Ah. Well, if I would have known he would have a scar, I would have probably haven't gone now. Finally, I finally found a thingy like this. Prepare to die. Why do you spit? Oh my gosh. Tomorrow's a school night. I do not like it. Well, I'm kind of happy I'm going to school because I'm in this Christmas. That's the one I really wanted. Well, I probably don't know. I'm in this tutu who I really wanted. My principal subscribed to my channel. I like that. That's cool. But, like, what the... What? I do not. If anybody's watching this video, like I'm not raging because like of the teachers. I'm not like begging on stuff because like. Where, mommy? These people are trash. These people are trash. Crash, crash, crash. Why am I saying crash? Trash. Crash. It's called trash. These people are trash. Boom. What about your teammates? What about your teammates? Why don't you take it? Why don't you kill my other teammates? Why don't you just leave me alone and let me kill y'all? Well, not in like real life. I'm in a game, but like, what is this? No, I feel like after this, I have to end the video, guys. I cannot deal with this because I have to let the raging out after this video. I just can't help it anymore. I have to let all the raging out, guys. Alright, guys. Hope y'all make sure you like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.